At a secluded nature retreat, participants immerse themselves in wilderness training, learning vital survival skills. They engage in hands-on activities like building shelters, foraging for food, and creating fires using natural methods. The retreat emphasizes not just technical skills, but also fosters mental resilience by confronting the challenges of the wild. Instructors share traditional survival knowledge passed down through generations, blending ancient wisdom with modern techniques. These experiences help individuals build confidence and adaptability, essential for thriving in any environment.